everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the funniest and silliest forms of poetry ever written, the Limerick. You have probably heard one before, even if you didn't know what it was called. So let's break it down. What is a Limerick and where did it come from? And why are they so much fun? Well, a limerick is a short 5-line poem known for its bouncy rhythm, silly content, and catchy rhymes. It often tells a quick and humorous story, sometimes a bit absurd. Well, in terms of structure, it's around 5 lines. Rhyme scheme is AABBA, and the rhythm usually follows the anapestic, which is da-da-dum. It follows a specific pattern. The first, second, and fifth line rhyme with each other, and they are usually longer. The third and fourth lines rhyme with each other, and they are shorter. So I'm gonna give you an example, which is one of the classical limerick that belongs to Edward Lear, who's known as the king of nonsense poetry. So here's it. There was a young lady of right, whose shoestrings were seldom untied. She purchased some clocks and some small spotted dogs, and frequently walked about right. So it's silly, random, and rhythmic. That's what makes it a limerick. So who made limericks famous? Well, limericks became popular thanks to Edward Lear, a 19th century English poet and artist. He published a whole book of limericks, all filled with nonsense, characters, and catchy stories. The question here, what makes limericks special? Well, it's easy to memorize. It's also fun to say it out loud. Great for kids and adults as well. And perfect for playing with language and imagination. Well, I hope you get some benefits from this lesson and see you soon. Thanks for watching.